Welcome to all of you in Biocatalyst. So today we are going to cover the last part of the chapter's question, that is top 20 question on cell, and it will covering the last part which we have studied in our last lecture. So let's start with the first question. What is saying? Which of the following set of the cell organelles contain DNA? Mitochondria and peroxisome, plasma membrane and ribosome, mitochondria and chloroplast and dictosome. The correct answer will be mitochondria and chloroplast. Option number 3. Question 2. Semi-autonomous cell organelle is mitochondria, ribosome, Golgi body and peroxisome. The answer is mitochondria. Which of the cell organelles release oxygen? Mitochondria, Golgi body, chloroplast or ribosome? Answer will be chloroplast. The cell organelles having abundance of the oxidizing enzyme is Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum, centrioles and mitochondria. The answer will be mitochondria. Chlorophyll in chloroplast is located in grana, only in stroma, thylakoid, stroma and both grana and stroma. The answer will be grana. In higher plants, the chloroplasts are discoidal or oval, spiral, cup-shaped or reticulate. The answer will be discoidal or oval. Non-pigmented part of the chloroplast is called thylakoid, grana, stroma or lamellae. The answer will be stroma. Which of the following is not common in chloroplast and mitochondria? Both are present. C is not common. इस नॉट का बहुत जन इग्नोर कर देते हैं. तो क्या क्या कॉमन नहीं है? बोथ आर प्रेजेंट इन एनिमल सेल, बोथ कंटेन देयर ओन जेनेटिक मटेरियल, बोथ आर प्रेजेंट इन द यूकैरियोटिक सेल, बोथ आर प्रेजेंट इन प्लांट सेल. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन विल बी बोथ आर प्रेजेंट इन एनिमल सेल. Match the. Now let's move to question number 9. It says match the following. Glycosome will be glycoxylate cycle. Spirosome will be plant lysosome. Mitochondria will be succinate. And peroxisome will be succinate dehydrogenase नीचे है. Peroxisome will be photorespiration. So the correct option will be 1. 10. Incorrect statement in relation to nucleolus is. Incorrect कहा है, ठीक है. It is spherical in structure. It is separated from nucleoplasm by nuclear envelope. It is the site of rRNA synthesis. They are larger and more numerous in the cells, actively engage in protein synthesis. So the option which is incorrect is it is separated from nucleoplasm by nuclear envelope. Microfilaments perform all the following function except provide support to plasma membrane, involve in cyclosis, help in cell plate method during cell division, help in shear formation. Answer will be involve in cyclosis. Consider the following. Here. Consider the following 5 statements A to E with respect to chloroplast is shown below, and which one of the following is true. A is impermeable and lacks protein. ये जो पार्ट है A वाला, ये क्या बोला गया है? It is impermeable and lacks protein. लोगों को ट्रू फॉल्स बताना है, ठीक है. So A is impermeable and lacks protein. It will be false. That is A is false. Here it is said. B, it is selectively permeable. It is selectively permeable and carries that of the protein. It will be 2. Here, true. And then C, stacked thylakoids one over the other in the site of the production of the assembly of the power. It will be yes, true. D, present between 2 grana and contain the enzyme of the dark action. See, present between 2 grana and contain the enzyme of dark action. No, it is not the enzyme of dark action. E, it contains the enzyme for the synthesis of sugar and proteins. E says what? E, yes, it is correct. So option 2 will be the correct answer. Cilia and flagella both have 9+2 arrangement of the microtubules. Are protective structure of the cell are only present in protozoa of the animals, are outgrowth structure of the cytoplasm. Correct answer will be 9+2 arrangement. Microtubule are composed of actin protein, myosin protein, tubulin protein or dynein protein. The correct answer will be yes, tubulin protein. Heterochromatin is a darkly stained part of the chromatin, lightly stained plant, lightly stained part of grana and scattered lobes of cytoplasm. Answer will be darkly stained part of chromatin. Chromosome with a centromere at one end. Chromosome with centromere at one end क्या कहते हैं? Telocentric. Nucleus is absent in cell of the vascular cambium, root hair cell, companion cell, membranes of the mature seed tube. The answer will be membranes, members of the mature seed tube. Protein synthesis in an animal cell occurs on ribosome present in the cytoplasm as well as mitochondria, on ribosome present in the nucleolus as well as in cytoplasm, only in ribosome attached to the nuclear envelope and endoplasmic reticulum, only to the ribosome present in the cytoplasm. The correct answer will be option 1. Now let's move to question number 19, that is match the following. Thylakoids. Thylakoids, it is said that thylakoids, it will be 3, that is flat membranous sacs in the soma. Cristae will be in foldings of the mitochondria. Cisternae will be yes, disc-shaped structure of the Golgi, and chromatin will be condensed structure of the DNA. So the correct option will be 3. Now let's move to the next question. Find the correct option on the basis of the following diagram. Here is the diagram. So it says A. A is what? A is the satellite. So option 3 and 4 is already wrong. We need to compare against 1 and 2. So A is the satellite, and then comes to B. B is the centromere. Here is the centromere. C is the short term and D is the long term. So option 2 is the correct answer. So that's all for today. We will we will see for the next chapter, that is biomolecule, and in the short videos I am posting the most expected questions. So also follow that. Till then, bye and take care.